when rejection breaks you, how to rebuild self-worth. After a setback's, rejection can feel like a gut punch. Whether it's a job you didn't get, a relationship that ended, or a friend pulling away, the pain hits hard. And it doesn't just bruise your confidence, it shakes your entire sense of self. If you've ever found yourself lying awake replaying a conversation, or doubting your worth after someone let you down, you're not alone. This video is here to help you reset, not just to feel better, but to actually rebuild your self-worth in a way that's real, sustainable, and empowering. Let's walk through 3 key shifts you can make right now. And by the end of this video, you'll have a simple framework that you can return to anytime rejection makes you question who you are. First, understand that rejection isn't always about you. One of the most damaging beliefs after rejection is this: I must not be enough. But rejection is rarely personal. It's a decision someone else made based on their needs, timing, capacity, or expectations, not on your value as a human being. If someone didn't choose you, whether in work, love, or friendship, it doesn't mean you're unworthy. It just means your path is being redirected, and that can be a gift, even when it doesn't feel like it yet. Second, pause the spiral and reset your thoughts. After a setback, your mind may jump to worst-case scenarios. I'll never get another chance. Maybe I really am too much, or not enough. To stop this spiral, practice a simple mental reset. Name what happened factually. Example, I didn't get the job. Notice the story you're telling yourself. Example, I'm never going to succeed. Gently reframe it. Example, this opportunity wasn't right, but I'm still capable, and other doors will open. This shift is not about pretending it doesn't hurt. It is about not letting the pain rewrite your identity. Third, rebuild your rhythm. Gently, after rejection, many people either shut down or overcompensate. Neither path leads to healing. Instead, focus on simple actions that remind you of your strength. Write down 3 things you've done well in the past week, no matter how small. Get back into a routine that grounds you, like walking, journaling, or even just drinking enough water. Limit your exposure to content that triggers comparison, especially right now. Small, kind steps bring you back to yourself. This is how you rebuild from the inside. And if you are still with me here, a quick invitation. Drop a comment below and finish this sentence. Rejection taught me. Let's normalize the conversation and remind each other that healing is a shared experience. If this video feels supportive, there is more where this came from. Watch Series 1, The Reset Week. It's designed to walk you through emotional and physical resets for life, as hard moments. Series 2 is ongoing now, focused fully on self-worth and confidence rebuilding. You can find both playlists linked in the description. They're your next steps, especially if this season feels heavy. And before we close, one final reminder. You are not your rejection. You are not the silence, the breakup, the layoff, the no email. You are someone with resilience, potential, and value that cannot be decided by someone else's decision. Your next chapter didn't vanish with that rejection. It's just beginning. And if you're looking for tools to help you along the way, I've curated some of my favorite journals, reset aids, and wellness tools in my Amazon storefront. No pressure. Just there if you need something to support your healing journey. You've got this, and I'm glad you're here.